Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Cloudflare WARP for private browsing on iPhone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Cloudflare WARP and press search. Locate the Cloudflare WARP app in the results. Tap on the app to view its details. Click the Get button to download and install the application. Once the app is downloaded, open it. You will see a welcome screen introducing WARP. Read the introduction and tap Get Started. The app may request permission to use your location. Allow access for optimal performance. Next, tap on Connect to initiate the WARP service. A VPN configuration screen will appear. Follow the prompts to allow the app to set up the VPN connection. You may need to enter your passcode or use Face ID/Touch ID for authorization. Once authorized, the app will establish the VPN connection. You'll see a notification confirming that WARP is connected. To ensure private browsing, open your preferred browser or app. Your internet traffic is now secured and private. You can manage connection settings within the WARP app whenever necessary. Remember to disconnect the VPN when not in use to save battery. You're now set up for private browsing with Cloudflare WARP on your iPhone. Enjoy enhanced privacy while surfing the internet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.